If you're in need of a super simple meal, and I mean this is so simple, this is definitely a lazy person's meal on those days or those nights when you don't feel like cooking, or if you just want a quick little snack, I've got a really good one for you, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. On my channel, you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based no oil recipes. Now, I am all about easy, quick, whatever you need to do to make your life easy. If that means lemon juice in a bottle, garlic in a jar, can this, frozen that, do it. Don't worry about somebody's going to judge you or think less of you. Who cares? You're doing this for your health and to lose weight. So whatever means you need to do, then I say do it. Whatever strategies you need to come up with, do it. And this next meal is one of those strategies, and I'm going to show you how fast it comes together. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, be sure to follow me on Instagram, and check out the links below for some great resources that I offer. Now let's get on to this recipe. Okay, here is the most easiest meal you're ever gonna meet. So over here I have zucchini, peppers, onion, and some tofu. Now you can mix and match, you can use other veggies. If you don't want to use tofu, you don't have to, but I like tofu. And then I'm also using canned potatoes. I know, canned potatoes. How much easier can you get? And I just rinse these well because they do have salt. And I want to be able to control the amount of salt that I use in my recipes. So I'm just going to throw all the stuff in the bowl. The tofu, onions, and the potatoes, and then just season it up. Onion powder, a little garlic salt, or you can just use garlic powder if you're watching your salt. And I'm putting some nutritional yeast on here. You don't have to do that, but I like nutritional yeast. And then you're just going to toss it all together and make sure everything gets nice and coated. And the spatula didn't work too well, so I just like to do this. And then I usually do another round of spicing. Oh, I almost forgot my smoked paprika. That would have been a tragedy. And a little bit more nutritional yeast. And then this is just going to go in your air fryer, 400 degrees, 15 minutes. All right, I'm going to mix this up again and throw it in the air fryer, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Look at that, yum. And you can put whatever sauce you want on here. You could put sweet chili sauce, Lozano sauce, whatever you want. I'm going to be putting some cheese sauce. Yes, I just made a fresh batch. And I'll leave a link to the cheese sauce, the recipe, because I know you'll ask. All right, let's give it a taste. Here we go, finished product. Look at that steam coming off of there. Yum. So good. Want to get a zucchini too. Now this, to me, is one serving, so this is all for me. Low calorie density, low fat, high carb, perfect for the starch solution. You got your veggies, you got your starch, it's perfect. And this will keep you full for quite a while. So just remember what I said about whatever you need to do to make this easy for you, do it. And don't worry about what others are going to think about you or say about you, because it doesn't really matter. Other people's opinions is none of your business. It will make your life a lot simpler if you don't worry about the outside world. I can't tell you how many comments I get from people that are just negative that I'm not vegan enough, I'm not doing the starch solution right, just the list goes on and on. And if I let that stuff get in my head, I wouldn't make another video. But you know what, I don't care. I'm doing my thing, it's working for me, and that's what you need to do, is find the strategies that will work for you. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little recipe, and if you got value from this video, if it was helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're so inclined, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel and check out the links below for all my resources. I do have an online course that can help you transition to a plant-based diet. Even if you've already been on a plant-based diet, there's a lot of tips and tricks that will help you become consistent and make it a lot easier for you. If you've made it this far in the video, comment below with easy meals, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. All my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.